the Glowrun website is up and running. This is how it works. So you can register and log in here. Set up your profile. You can see like your section. Your goal will automatically be set to $100, but you can set it as high as you want. Change your name if you want to change your name. I don't know. You can add a little description that people will see when they go to donate to you. You can even add GIFs as your little profile picture. I love this little guy. Save. Then go back. You can see the leaderboard here. Top 5 right now. Oh yeah, you can also donate to like any random person, and since sections are also working together, you can just donate to a general section. Donate to percussion. Bye bye.